Plastic pipe extrusion lines are specialized manufacturing setups used to produce plastic pipes of various diameters, wall thicknesses, and materials. These lines are used in industries such as construction, plumbing, agriculture, and telecommunications. This is a CNC machine with a unique saw for horizontal wood carving, which produces wonderful artistic shapes for us. This is how magnets are installed in large electric motors. Small machine that produces conical and curved dough. This machine separates the corn seeds from the fruit, throws the husks in a special place, and fills the seeds in bags. A crawler-type mobile roller screen is a versatile screening machine designed for industries such as construction, mining, recycling, and agriculture. It combines a roller screen, which uses rotating rollers to separate materials by size, with a crawler chassis for enhanced mobility on rugged, uneven terrains. The crawler tracks allow the machine to move easily over muddy or steep surfaces, making it ideal for on-site operations without additional transport equipment. Powered by diesel, hybrid, or electric systems, it offers efficient, precise screening of wet, sticky, or clay-rich materials that might clog traditional vibrating screens. Chippers are mostly used in the processing of scraps of wood products. Tree branches, bushes, sawnwood scraps are processed into wood chips, which can be used both as fuel and for decorative purposes. Smart machine powered by artificial intelligence to produce iron wires in different shapes used in concrete. This is how plastic parts of cars are painted. This workers create a clever trick to transport trees from up to down. This is one of the most powerful machines ever, as it can turn huge stones into very small pebbles. With this machine, a hole is made in precious stones, and they are used in home decorations. This worker uses a smart tool that enables him to tie the iron nets with complete ease. This smart gun used in cutting and welding pieces of iron. Smart tool automatically guides trains back on track.